In this video, I'm going to teach you how to link button to another page in WordPress Elementor. In order to do that, first head over to wordpress.com and then make sure to create an account. Click on this Get Started option right here in order to create it, or click on this Login option in order to actually log in if you already have one. Now from in there, head over to elementor.com and then do the same thing by creating an account by clicking on this or logging in if you already have one. I already have an account on both of them, so let me head over and just log in. Now here is actually my dashboard on my homepage. So what we can do is we can head over to the pages and look in here for the page that you want to add a button with. Now, once you have head over and click on that, I have in here this About Us option. Make sure to click on this Edit with Elementor. Let me head over and open this with another page or in a new tab. Now in here, just wait for this to actually load. Now I have in here this page. So for example, let's head over and add in here a button, or you can also use an existing button that you have. If you want to create or add a new button, just search for that in here onto the widgets part and add that button wherever you want to put it. For example, let's add it right here. Now, for example, you can change its text. So let's change it into something more appropriate. Let's input right here events. Then after that, you can choose the type of button that you want. It can be info, success, warning, or danger. Now you can see right here that we have our link. So it will just get the hash from here. You can get over right here to the link options in order to open it in a new window or the likes. Now in here, I already have a page that's called event. So you can just input right here the hash for that particular page. And after that, just head over and save it. Once you have saved it, any user that will click onto this particular button will be redirected to the particular page that has that hash. So that's how you link button to another page in WordPress Elementor. Hope we helped.